By the way, George used to speculate that we'd probably start out in honky-tonk bars and with people throwing beer bottles at us. So go figure. Here we are, one star. And I think that a lot of songs just do not have enough cowbell. More cowbell.
Barroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to hit me right across her shoulders, 'cause I just can't seem to drink her off my mind. It's a say in New York City, I had to put up some kind of a fight. Lady, then she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. I told you once and I told you twice, never listen to my advice. Don't try very hard to leave me. What you know, it should be easy. Well, this could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time alone. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry, girl, but I can't stay feeling like I do today. Too much pain and too much sorrow. I guess I'll feel the same tomorrow. Well, this could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. I told you once and I told you twice. Someone will have to pay the price. Here's a chance to change your mind. 'Cause I'll be gone a long, long time. the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time. I don't know. Oh no. Oh